guys, welcome back to a new video. And today we're going to be working on making a custom bracket for the switches and the gauge right here. So I purchased this at Home Depot. It's no trespassing sign. The reason why I got this is because the material, and it's very flexible but also strong enough to hold and flex to make everything fit. So we're going to be bending, cutting, and drilling in order to make it fit into this center console right here. And then the update, I just purchased a new bellow for the sakes of this one, because this one's fitting broke inside, so I don't want to rethread it, because I need a bigger fitting and I don't want to risk having a leak. So I just bought a new one, so it's gonna be coming in for not only in like a week or two, probably 3 weeks. So I'm just waiting on that. So we're gonna go ahead and do some measurements and just bend it and everything like that to make everything fit, and then probably screw it in right here and right here. So let's see how it goes. All right, so I made the template cutout. So right now this portion to here is gonna be cut. This from here to here is completely gonna be gone, and this one as well, because you don't need the bottom portion because there's nothing to really hold it. And then if we just screw it in here, it's gonna interfere with this portion as well. And then this portion is gonna be cut. Then this circumference is gonna be cut, and then at least a good layer of this outside will be cut as well. So I'm gonna trace it, and then so the hole and everything has been cut, and I got these extra screws from Home Depot for the ones that is gonna be mounting the brackets here, and then this one will be for mounting it onto here. So let's see how it fits. So as of right now, the circumference of this circle is very small, but the switch fits perfectly. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to figure out how to cut it a little bit more without making it too big. Alright, so that is it for today's video. The only connection I need to do right now is, obviously tap into the wires for the gauge, and then for the fuse, I'm gonna wire it through here again into there, and then last thing I have to do with the airline is connect the front. So I'm gonna wrap the front and then connect it through here again and through here. So everything's all set. It seems pretty sturdy. No issues whatsoever. I'm able to use the switches easily on and off. And now I'm gonna put my phone mount right here as well. So focus stick there, access these easily, no issues. So far it looks pretty good. I like how it looks, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and hope this helps you guys out. So peace out.